are three main areas that we would like to cover for this August release. The first one is the support of advanced passwords. And the second would be to address some of the issues that the customers have raised. And lastly, to discuss some potential enhancements that are targeted for this release. So in Sage 300 2023, which will be released this August, with starting this release, we will be looking at having advanced passwords as mandatory. This is one of the reasons why Sage 300 CRM integration needs to support advanced passwords. Advanced password is similar to Sage CRM's complex passwords. And as you know, advanced or complex passwords is an industry standard and more secure, especially for web screens. Currently, Sage 300 supports both basic and complex passwords. But it turns out that the complex passwords in Sage 300 may not be as complex as we may require, hence the introduction of the advanced passwords. So once a Sage 300 2023 CRM integration is activated within your Sage CRM, the admin user is required to update the Sage 300 user password in the Sage 300 CRM integration administration page under the Sage 300 user level security. This user password would be used to log into Sage 300. Ocean, will you please go through the fixes and enhancements with us?
Certainly. In the August release, we intend to address 4 customer issues. The first one will allow users to bypass a customized workflow when posting an order from CRM integration. When promoting a quote to an order and without closing the opportunity, the current behavior updates the Oppo stage to sold, which will interfere with the CRM workflows. The first fix is to allow a user to bypass updating the Oppo stage field to quote to order when a quote to order is performed. Another fix is when launching Sage 300 web screens within Sage CRM portal. Currently, we are defaulting by the age by and age as date using the Sage 300 portal last login date. The second fix would allow the Sage CRM session date to be used. Another fix, the third fix, if there are any special characters such as an ampersand in the Sage 300 AR customer number, updating the Sage CRM company summary page will result in an error. This too will be resolved. Another customer issue to be addressed is if multi-currency is set up in CRM, the opportunity totals showing the incorrect currency. This will be resolved. Now let's talk a little bit more about the potential enhancements. The first enhancement would be adding a new Sage 300 security resource. This is to avoid users updating any accounting related fields, such as the group code, the tax group, as well as the terms code in the AR customers and the AP vendors web screens. By doing this, the administrator will have the ability to allow or disallow any Sage CRM user to update these fields in the CRM portal. Another enhancement is to allow the relinking of a CRM company to an unmatched Sage 300 record. After unlinking a CRM company for a Sage 300 AR customer or AP vendor, the user is not able to relink to the same or any existing Sage 300 AR customer or AP vendor. The only option in this case would be to create a new customer or a new vendor. So we're going to change that behavior so that a customer can relink to any existing Sage 300 AR customer or AP vendor. That's a wrap for the fixes and enhancements. But as always, we would appreciate any feedback that you might have on these enhancements and fixes, as well as any other issue. So please reach out to us, and hopefully we may consider your suggestions as future fixes or enhancements.